What are we doing, June? Huh, June? She does not want to be on camera right now.
Junie!
June!
She knows she's a bad girl.
Alright, what are we doing, babe?
Today we are making an in-home photo shoot, quarantine photo shoot number 2. Gonna make this wall full of newspapers as well as part of the floor.
And floor.
And we're gonna take some pics. Make it super dope and retro, and yeah. So here's us.
Stay tuned.
Making it.
Alright, wall completed. Next round, next phase.
The floor.
Floor. Our walls suck, so we improvised and we had to use tacks.
Tacks.
Which works pretty good, actually.
Yeah. Tape just doesn't like to hold on to our ugly walls.
Yeah. So if you got the like popcorn walls, it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
And then we did 4 across, 3 down.
Yep. We'll probably do at least another row,
2.
maybe 2 more.
Possibly 3 on the floor.
Yeah. Also, life hack, if you guys want to do this, don't pay money to get a newspaper. We found out that the Spanish version of the newspaper is free. So we just took a bunch of those.
Yes, they're all Spanish.
So we want to save some money. That's the way to do it, everybody.
We're always about making photo shoots as cool as possible, but as cheap as possible.
As affordable as possible, like everybody can do it.
Everyone can.
Because they can.
We got a couple lights, get the tripod, get the juniper, and we're all set. Tape them all together, tape them to the floor. Well, almost done.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Look how much paper we bought just for this.
Well, we didn't buy it, but look how much paper we took. We have a lot left over.
Fucking didn't even use it.
So we're gonna save it just in case other projects arise.
Other projects will arise.
Yeah.
This was a cool idea.
It was cool.
We've
seen a few people do some stuff like this on Instagram, so it kind of inspired us. Just trying to do things that we can do in our house since everything's closed.
Quarantine.
That's what, bitch? Coronavirus!
And we're quarantined, kind of.
Not really, but.
Not really, but we're trying to think of ideas since everything's closed and we don't want to get sick, we don't want to get other people sick. So if you guys are trying to do that as well, here's an idea for you that you can try. Show us what you guys create. We want to see that.
Want to see it? Tag it.
Tag it, let us know. If you guys have any other ideas that you want to see us try, comment below. But this was a pretty short video, pretty self-explanatory. Anyways, thanks for watching this video.
Thanks for watching.
If you guys liked it, press the like button. Press the subscribe button if you haven't already.
Hit the bell.
Hit that bell. Support us.
And pretty much other than that, I mean, we're done.
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah, we're done. Alright.
Bye. Yeah.
Oh, you did the bye. You did the bye too early.
Bye.